Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got some large portobello mushrooms. But for this recipe, we only need the caps, so we're going to remove the stems. And you can remove the gills too if you prefer, but they're perfectly edible, so we're going to leave them on. And as you can see, these stems just twist right out. You don't have to use a knife. You just grab a hold, firm grip, twist, and pull. Now a basic caprese consists of tomato, mozzarella, and fresh basil. But instead of fresh tomatoes, I'm going to use my marinated and roasted cherry tomato recipe. Now you can go with fresh cherry tomatoes if you prefer, but this recipe is one I posted a while back and it is awesome. So now all we have to do is break down some fresh mozzarella cheese. And we are going to need some more fresh chopped garlic and fresh basil. Now fill the caps with cheese, cherry tomatoes, and this olive oil was roasted with garlic and fresh herbs, so it would be ridiculous not to pour this right over the top. It's going to add a lot of flavor. And you can choose to add your fresh basil before or after you cook the mushrooms. And as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and add it now. And then over medium heat, I'm going to melt down some butter. Then add that chopped garlic. Then season with salt and pepper. And that garlic will turn white almost immediately. And when that happens, you want to remove it from the heat and add your portobellos right to it. Now you want to take these to the oven, and about 6 to 8 inches from the top, you want to set it on a high broil for about 8 minutes. In the meantime, you want to add some brown sugar to some balsamic vinegar. Over medium heat, you're going to bring it to a boil and slowly reduce it down to about this consistency. It should take about 5 minutes. And by now, your mushrooms will be done. And you want to drizzle that balsamic glaze right over the top. Oh yeah. And there you have it. Caprese Portobellos, right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.